Aiden had some issues and complications during my pregnancy. I was like 39 weeks when I had to get an emergency C-section. I really don't even remember seeing a doctor in my room. All I saw was a lot of students. I didn't see a doctor until they came in there telling me they were giving me a C-section. And it was not the doctor that was delivering my baby from the beginning, so we knew something was wrong. So they rushed me down to the emergency room and pulled him out. I didn't see him immediately when he got out. They took him straight to the ICU. When I first seen him the first day, I threw up and I was like crying because I didn't know what was going on. Like, how is he in here? Why is he in here? They wasn't really giving me a lot of answers at all. I don't think they knew. They were trying to do all this research to find out what they did wrong and what was wrong. And I think they already knew what was wrong. They just didn't tell me what was wrong. By the second week, he was doing a little bit better. Everybody was praying for him and everything. And he was getting a lot better to the point where they let him come home. By the time he got to like 3 months, I had a friend of mine, my god sister. Her daughter and my son were born 9 days apart. She was doing a little bit more than he was, and my mom was suspicious because she noticed that he wasn't sitting up or anything, like doing what a baby's supposed to be doing at 3 months. So we had took him to the doctor, and the doctor had explained to me that it could be something wrong due to his birth and that I should look into it. I remember the doctor saying that he may have cerebral palsy, and she said it's usually due to a doctor's mistake. I got in touch with the baby birth injury lawyers through a commercial ad. I felt like this was something that needed to be addressed, like that action needed to be taken, from somebody that was a little bit more powerful than I was, to handle a situation. They were very, very gentle with me and patient as well. They always updated me about everything that was going on, what was going on in the case. They communicated very well with me. The baby birth injury lawyers have changed our lives by bringing more happiness, I would say, more peace, to know that justice was served, and also to know that my son will be taken care of for the rest of his life as well. Because these kids they're like this for the rest of their life. I don't know what I would have been able to do without it. How would I have sort of, taken care of a kid by myself on my own without them? Like it's a struggle to be a single parent and do everything on your own with no help. My son is happy. He got everything that he needs. His home is comfortable for him. His home now is wheelchair accessible. He has a vehicle that runs to take him back and forth where he needs to go. Because before we were receiving transportation to get back and forth to appointments, doctor's appointments, no vehicle at all. I definitely recommend the baby birth lawyers to people who have had or experienced the same things that I've experienced. I would say that they keep their word. They don't settle for less. They're going to go in. They're going to get what you deserve. They're not going to give you less. They're going to put a lot of work into your case, into your life. They're going to make you feel like your family. If you suspect your child was a victim of medical malpractice, the Baby Birth Injury Lawyers Group is a team to call. They're excellent.